Okay, on the previous video, I showed you how to start the engines if you forgot the fob. So to review that process, I put in the pin code from the factory, 1, 2, 3, 4. I get a little chirp and it's blinking green to show I've unlocked it. I press the on off. I press the start. And after the third engine starts, because this is a triple, it starts beeping because it's searching for the fob. Now if you didn't have the fob, as I explained, it'll beep 5 times and then turn solid red. But if you do have the fob, you can either stop that from beeping or just create the connection. So all I need to do to create the connection, if I do have the fob present, is press any button on here, including the start, any of these outside or the center, and when I press it, it turns green, making the connection between these two. Now again, this is a wireless lanyard, so if I fall overboard while I have this on my person, it'll shut the engines off.